Look at this scene. This sums up my whole life right here. This is right here on this table. Smoking grass and watching the Golden Girls. And I'm Ryan Kruesi, and this is Kruesi Originals. I hate when it comes to the time when it's all done. I have like, what's that shit called? Abandonment issues, I think, you know?
Like to let things go.
No, I don't. Not a bit, dude. I never really like to finish the bike. I'll come to the end of a build and I'll have 6 hours of work to do, and that'll take me a month because I don't want to finish the bike. I don't want it to go. You know, it's like, it's a piece of me. It's a piece of this is my fucking art, man. This is how I express myself. Is Ryan Kruesi. And then somebody's gonna get this bike. I'm super stoked about that. And somebody will love this bike because it is fucking nasty. It's really nasty to ride. We put a bunch of miles on it this weekend. It's a beautiful motorcycle.
Made me want one.
Trent wants to keep it. You know, anyways, that's awesome. Somebody's gonna get a cool bike. I'm happy about that, but still, it's like kind of, you know, meeting a new chick, putting a bunch of time into it, really starting to like her, and then going, I'm gonna have to let you go because my homie wants to try it out. It ain't the easiest thing to do.
But you know it's gotta be done.
Oh, right. You know, you can't be hoarding everything. You gotta,
ain't no
you know.
fun if the homies can't have it.
That's right. So I'm gonna put an M8 K-BAR, our M8 K-BAR. It is an engine guard that we developed for the M8s recently, but they've been out for dynos for eons. We're gonna show you how to do it a little bit. Not really how to show, you guys know that. We're gonna throw that on. Then I've also got an adjustable brake linkage for the Harley Davidson mid controls. It's the Harley Davidson it's still Harley Davidson factory, but it's their aftermarket bolt-on mid control kit for the fat bobs. You don't gotta change the inner and outer primary and that type of shit. But it's just a stationary brake. So Butch Green from Green Brothers Design made us this custom one-off adjustable brake arm so we can adjust the brake pedal for this kit. Which, if anybody has these kits out there, which I know a fuckload of people bought these from the last video that we did, if you want to get one of these, I could probably talk Butch into making a few. They'd probably be like special order, but it can happen. That's a sticker. It's like vinyl wrap, actually, from 518 Designs. They're going to make these for every one of our bikes now. It is painted in, so it's like in the paint. It ain't just a sticker on the outside. But they're making all the decals, so all the bikes that we build, the race bikes got the matching teal. I've got ones for my bagger that are matching the Legend shit. It's gonna be dope. It's 518 Designs. Check them out. They also make all of our shit and do a bunch of stuff for us, and they're the shit. They make shirts, hats, logos. They wrap cars. They do every single thing with printed media you can do. And Joey Calderon works there. He's the dude you'd be working with. Stunt rider extraordinaire, pro BMX rider. One of my favorite people on the planet. Really just hit up 518 Designs and tell Joey Calderon I said hello. Fuck. Now I gotta start working. Let's go. Gotta figure out how to do this because I usually don't put these on. It's Matt's job. I've probably only done one or two. The K-BAR bolts all the way down here. It's not just some bullshit hoop right here. It's plated all the way down. It's 3/16 steel. It's really strong shit. But you have to unbolt this, and all this shit just leans out. K-BAR goes in, sandwich it in there. That's it. We gotta undo the top motor mount too. I haven't done one of these in a minute. You guys ready for one hell of a tech tip? I give this one on a difficulty range, 2 suck jobs and a reach around. Stainless steel hardware will gall up really bad. When I mean gall up, that means when you're threading something in and the threads will kind of like start to bite into the other threads instead of just going in smoothly. Stainless is very gully. It's always a good idea to bring it. You should have a wire wheel like this if you're working on motorcycles anyways, because cleaning bolts and cleaning threads is important. You wire wheel the threads real quick. It'll make them just nice and smooth and pretty, and then you can just spin them in with your fingers, nice and easy. Save you a bit of a headache down the road, because sometimes they'll seize themselves to whatever you're putting in. It's the little shit like this that makes a big difference between a good mechanic and a hack. Beautiful. Just took out the top motor mount. We reuse these. You got to use this kind of bolt. It just works the best underneath the horn and all that shit. Now I'm going to blow all these out with compressed air. I'm going to hit them with a thread chaser. I'm going to clean all the old Loctite out. Then I'm going to blow them out again. And then we're going to mount this shit up. This motorcycle right here, this thing's trying to kill you all the time you're riding it. So why not make sure that everything is bolted together as perfectly as it can be. Thread chaser. Wire wheel on the bolts, Loctite, torque wrench, service manual. Get those things if you are going to be working on shit yourself. Shit, see, I'm gonna wire wheel all that off, make a little fresh bolt. That's all built up Loctite. It's gonna torque up when you're trying to torque it. And I'm gonna clean the threads out from the frame. Pre-adjusted this one. I just made it a little bit longer just to bring the brake pedal down just a little bit. I don't like how high the brake pedal is. I just want to kind of level it out. A little higher. I'm done. I have finished 100%. I'm real happy with it. I did not put a case slider on the bottom of the crash bar because we don't have any. We're out of Delrin. We've been waiting on it. I know some of you have been waiting on it too, but so it's just running a K-bar, which I think it kind of looks better for this application. And plus these mid controls have their own built-in crash protection as well, like these steel nubs that stick out that are actually going to be out farther than our stuff, so kind of don't need it. Man, this thing is dope, and you can win it. This could be yours. Yours. That's right. You could be ripping down the street on that muff right there. You know what I'm saying? We are going to launch this video. It's a Thursday night video, just like always. It's a Thursday, you're watching this. And then we are going to directly after this video, so get right back on our YouTube, because after this one launches, another one's going to pop out that's going to give you all the directions and all the shit on how you can win this bike, what you have to do to enter this bike. I will title it real simple: how you win the Kruesi Originals bike number 2. Search that, you'll get the directions right after this video, and then you can log in to our website. You don't even gotta log in, you can just go on our website and go from there. I guess I could walk you through everything that we did, huh? Started life out as a 2018 Harley Davidson Fat Bob. It has a fueling cam chest and some top end. I don't know how big it is in the top end. I did not build the motor. It was built by the previous owner. and I just know that it's really, really, really fucking fast. It runs really good, makes really good compression. Other than that, it's a clean title bike. All that good shit. It was black originally. We stripped it down. We painted it. We shaved off the gauge mount. Shaved that, painted it. It's just a single filler on the side now. We moved the gauge up to the handlebars. We have our headlight relocation kit, which it's actually just this. I drilled and tapped the trees because they have a bunch of material, so it looks really natural. It has our Baja Designs LP6 headlight bracket. This will probably be available by the time this video comes out. If not, it will be about a week from now. It's got Michelin Commander 2s, front and rear. Commander 3s, I'm sorry. These are Michelin Commander 3s, front and rear. We did, the bike is red, white, and blue. I call this bike the American for obvious reasons. So we got the red handles. This matches our red. It's on all of our covers. TC Bros 6-inch pullbacks, Speed Kings bars. Just a new set of stock mirrors. It has a tack, analog tack with a digital speedo on the inside of it. That's Harley Davidson stuff. It's got the Thrash and Supply fancy pipe on here. I don't know what this model is called, but it is not on our website, but if you want it, we can get it to you just as fast, shipped right to your door. Just call the shop, talk to Trent, he'll get you dialed in. We just put our K-bar on. You watch that go down. That is kind of a must-have when you have an expensive motorcycle. It will save your bike, promise. The Harley Davidson bolt-on mid-control kit for the Fat Bob. We did that on there. I ran a set of bar sliders instead of passenger pegs because I think it looks a lot better. And Savvy, Trent's old lady, rode on the back of it this weekend. It actually worked pretty good. This is the Cycle Source, Cycle something. License plate relocation kit for these. We have these on the website as well. These are there. The tail light is hidden up in the fender in here. It's Frenched in real nice. Got a Saddleman step up tuck and roll Kruesi Original style. It's a tri-gripper tuck and roll, logo in the back, all that fanciness. We've got our derby cover on the side, the Kruesi Originals Playboy Bunny Whip. ODI Heart Luck grips, they're real nice. Green Brothers Designs linkages. We've got an adjustable shift linkage that he custom made for this mid-control setup, and we've got a custom linkage that he made for the brake pedal on the other side just for this setup right here. So this is not available, but if you beat us up and beat Butch up enough at Green Brothers Designs, they might start making them, you know what I'm saying? But that's it. Bike's dope. You could win it. You helped Dave out. He got hurt in a motorcycle wreck real bad. If you don't know, he worked for us. He's crippled up. He's probably be about a year before he can come back to work. So we're trying to raffle bikes and raise money for Dave and make it so he just doesn't have to work. He can just heal. He's 50 years old. It's hard getting hit that bad when you're 50 years old. I know. I'm almost there. Kruesi Originals points covered and air cleaner covers as well. All that stuff's available on the website. We're kind of limited on colors on those because the price of aluminum has gone through the fucking roof, dude. Oh, so we haven't got any aluminum in a minute. But I think I think that's it. I'd like to thank the sponsors. Legends suspension. We've also got a Legends monoshock in the rear, fully adjustable. Legends came through. We also have Twisted Industry pegs coming for this. They will be on there by the time this bike goes. We just haven't got them yet. So I don't know. They're supposed to be here sometime today. Those things are super dope. If you haven't seen Twisted Industries, they make some really dope pegs. They're adjustable, all kinds of crazy shit. Remember, watch the video after this one. Go buy this son of a bitch. It could be yours, and you could be riding Kruesi Originals style. So thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Tell a friend. Tell 2 friends. Tell your friend's mom. Leave your friend's mom alone. That shit's weird. Kruesi Originals on Instagram, KruesiOriginals.com, and Kruesi Originals is on everybody's mom.